Good morning, one and all present over here. Today, the students of 9B are conducting a debate on Election Commission of India, and one group is in the favor and one group is in the against. And we are having three rounds. On first round, we have to say only points. In second round, we have to cut the points, and in the third round, it's a pure debate. We have to debate nicely. Okay, thank you.
Good morning. Today's my topic is in favor of election commission. My first point is election commission belongs to the 15th part of constitution. Election commission offers an fair and transparent use of elections in India, which is the largest democracy in the world. My second point is election commission also offers campaigns like SVEEP to immerse the participation and increase marginalized groups. Thank you.
My first point is it maintains integrity of electoral process, ensuring that every eligible citizen vote counts regardless socio-economic status or background. My second point is EC enforces laws and monitor the model code of conduct and has the authority to penalize violation and safeguard against violations like bribery.
Good afternoon to one and all present over here. I, Harshita Lakhani, wants to put my point in front of you about the Election Commission in India against. So, before putting my point, I just want to ask one question from each and every one of you. You might have seen your parents going for election. Have you heard about any party except BJP or Congress, your parents are going to vote? How many of you have heard? Give me honest answer. Honest answer. Like we can see, most of them, few right now are not raising their hands. A few are only raising their hands in the air. It's proof that big parties get more attention and small parties are quite ignored or they do not get equal attention as compared to big parties.
Good morning everyone, my name is Alohi Sahu and I am here to present the debate and I am the against way of in the debate. So my point is in election commission what they do that when the party or a person from a famous party they make mistake they often ignore them or when they used to put जब वो सही करने की कोशिश करते हैं वहाँ पे तो टाइम पे इतना बढ़ जाता है कि वो उसे हाइड कर देते हैं उसे सॉर्ट आउट कर देते हैं
My second point is that election commission in the voter list there are many false names or misnames in 2018 in Tamil Nadu. More than 20 lakh of people find their missing names in the voter list. Like their name was not there in the voter list. They find that their names were missing from the voter list. And also in EVM machine in 2017 in MP in voter machine there was in EVM. Whatever you press the button, like you press the button for BJP or for Congress whatever, the EVM machine only counts the vote for only one party.
You know this any evidence is there?
Yes,
Proof is there?
Proof. So actually we have the lines which is not that photo.
Because this is a very big
You can't claim this
It's
without
written in line with
without
the
you
lines.
can't claim this anything without any proof.
This
have to
2017
Yeah.
and 18.
I'm counting as a marks
Actually it
because
is,
I'm also having some knowledge
सर,
about the
अगर ये लोग
election
AI
commission.
निकाले तो फिर वो proof नहीं होता है।
Yeah, AI is not a completely 99% is correct, but 1% is lagging.
actually we are having handwritten.
Handwritten.
Like we have only written with our hands.
No. If
No.
you official.
No, any official statement कि BJP interrupt at the election or it's a
Not like that, but it's a true news
So it is
that
not
in
a
MP in 2017
It is
and
just
abroad,
allegation.
it's a just
Allegation.
allegation without any proof.
should I just
Yeah,
निकलता है।
according to this I am providing a marks.
but actually it's a true news.
It's a true news, but what is the evidence?
We are having evidence. Not
If you are having evidence, then prove it
with
now.
the statement from Twitter.
How many are having evidence?
Sir, हमारे पास एविडेंस है, प्योर एविडेंस.
Okay. Without evidence, don't say anything.
सर पूरा डायरेक्ट वर्ड्स है हमारे पास.
Yeah.
एक-एक word
Okay.
पे है.
Okay.
The second point is that whenever a party or a particular person makes mistakes, they only warn them. They do not take particular action. In some cases, like in most of the cases, they only warn them. They do not take a particular action. Thank you.
My name is Vihan Shukla and I am speaking in the favor of Election Commission. My first point is that Election Commission has always been unbiased in its motive and it has used various security measures to ensure the integrity of the elections. It has used various security systems like voter verifiable, paper audit trail, and it has used paper trail. It has conducted random verifications, and it is a constitutional body which is subject to the Supreme Court, and it is independent and it cannot be influenced by any external or internal powers.
For instance, like during the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, several opposition parties and former civil servants accused the ECI of being soft on the ruling party. Means they only support the ruling party, not all the parties.
Where you got this proof?
Like, for instance, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speeches were reported for violating the Model Code of Conduct (MCC), but the EVI gave a clear check in all cases.
Any proof is there?
Yes, sir.
Show me.
You can see the source from the reports from the Hindu and Indian Express. This happened between April and May 2019.
Okay.
It's the name of a
It's a
newspaper.
chat GPT. Or mention the newspaper name.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Source is given in that proof. Next.
My name is Malik Mishra. I am in the favor of Election Commission. See, ECI has strict monitoring systems, limits campaign money, and deploy observers to reduce the undue influence, and making India's election fairer than many other democracies in the world. Okay.
Concerns about EVM, its a tampering and lack of transparency remain unresolved. Like in Madhya Pradesh 2018, EVM were found unsecured in a hotel where a BJP candidate was staying. The ECI called it a mistake, but this raised serious questions about security.
Proof.
Any proof is there? Evidence and your source and all the things. Its proof is not there. So I am not considering as a
Okay.
valid point in that.
In Telangana, I have one more thing.
Okay.
In Telangana 2018, over 20 lakh names were reportedly deleted, leading the protests and EC admitting technical errors. The source is Times of India in December 2018.
Show me the source. Okay.
Leads to unfair elections.
See, ECI also shared that the same constituency which was won by BJP in 2018 was won by Congress in 2023. So how can you say that it is doing unfair elections?
Because it's written here that the names were deleted and this was not a mistake. If the ECI is conducting such a big elections, they should be responsible and they should know that the name should not be deleted. It's a big problem. It's a big
Any point in?
and they are taking the right of a person that each person have who are above 18 years old in India. They have the right to vote and their right is violated here. So it is a big issue and they should take a big action and quickly complain to the Supreme Court and take many actions, but they did not took.
So, see, if they are in power, then they can also do this in every election. Why they are not doing it? They can win BJP all the time if they are in power.
Yes, exactly. They are doing unfair practices. They could resolve it. They must concentrate on it that the name should not be deleted. But this is not being paid attention.
As you have said that unfair elections are being conducted, by the Election Commission of India. But let's take an example of Uttar Pradesh. In first, Uttar Pradesh was ruled by a party called Samajwadi Party with Mulayam Singh Yadav being its chief minister. Then came the Bahujan Samaj Party. How it came? First, Samajwadi Party was there. So if the election commission would have been biased, then it would have taken the favor of Samajwadi Party, and Bahujan Samaj Party would have lost. But Bahujan Samaj Party came into power. After that, again Samajwadi Party came into power. So how this happened? Because election commission is unbiased in its motive. And then after Samajwadi Party ruled for 5 years from 2012 to 2017, BJP came into power. So this happens because election commission is truly unbiased in its motive.
Okay, what is the proof?
The proof is election commission's website and all the newspapers of the country that have reported the election.
Tell the source name.
एंड वेट निर्वाचन आयोग जो है वो अनुच्छेद 324 जो संविधान में लिखा गया है निहित है उसके हिसाब से वह पूरा इंडिपेंडेंट और संवैधानिक निकाय है.
Why English? Any language can be used.
If you prove any point in any language, that is okay for me. But I want a proper knowledge. Yeah, obviously. It's the article 324. No any point is there from the girl side?
It may be constitutional body, but it gets appointed by the government and its members, so we cannot say it is fully independent.
It has been unbiased in its motive, and I can prove that by saying that some of the election.
As a teacher, I inform you, election commission is an independent body. I'm not supported that A team, but as a teacher, I informed you only. Okay, then continue.
The Supreme Court of India is guiding the election commission, and it has been is protected by the law from the executive interference. The election commission has been always. The election commission has always been enshrined by the law, Article number 324, by the Supreme Court of India, and its appointment process have been evolving for better transparency and fair elections. So you cannot claim that the election commission is being appointed by the government.
So big and rich parties still get more media attention and money, while small parties are often ignored. So why they have to go to village and village? Small parties which are coming newly or formed newly are going from house to house, and then after they don't have, like, they are not famous, or like they don't people, like, they go for voting and they don't know even who is standing there against the BJP or Congress. So the big parties only get more attention there, not the small parties.
See, as you have said that bigger parties get more attention, that's the problem of media, na? It's not giving.
Yes, this is the problem of media, because the BJP and Congress have buyed that news channels.
Proof give. And it is, we are debating about the election commission, not about the media. Okay.
So give the proof, na?
What proof in this?
You are saying that
More, see, if we see overall, people know more about BJP and Congress, means news channels are talking about more about them.
You are telling about news channels.
That is exactly the challenge right now. Election commission not working on this. Big party are getting a more advantage as compared to the small party. So that is a valid point from the B team. Continue.
So you are telling about the media and not the election commission.
No, it's about the election commission, that it does not concentrate on the bigger parties.
So it limits the campaign
Sorry?
money also.
Sorry, smaller parties.
So it limits the campaign money of the bigger parties also. एक limit तक.
What is the limit? I explain in that the classes. As
25
according to your book 2005 data.
25 lakhs in state.
Yeah.
And 10 lakhs in constituency, I think so.
25 lakh for the Lok
Lok
Sabha
Sabha.
as a NCRT right now, and 10 lakh for state. No, state Vidhan Sabha. Okay, state legislative assembly.
According to
For MLA, it's obviously clear. For the MLA 10 lakh, and for the member of MPs 24, not more than 25 lakh. According to that, the data of right now NCRT. Okay, but it's changed. Real ground truth is what? It's a change right now.
भारत जैसे विविधतापूर्ण तथा जनसंख्या युक्त देश में कोई भी तंत्र पूर्णतः निष्कलंक नहीं हो सकता। अर्थात मतलब आप कोई भी सिस्टम नहीं ले सकते जो इंडिया जैसी कंट्री में जितनी डाइवर्स पॉपुलस कंट्री में वो कोई सिस्टम इतना परफेक्ट हो ही नहीं सकता। सबके पास वो रहते हैं, लूप होल्स रहते हैं।
Like, the India is respected worldwide for its work, but international praise does not mean everything is perfect. Indian citizens' trust and sacrifice matter more, because during the elections, many people doubt the EVM, because in that most of the people vote. Sometimes people's votes are like removed from that. They'll see that their name is missing, and sometimes that people name comes, so that to increase the votes of the to win, to make the party win. So how does it is fair? Election Commission is fair, and they don't take a action. They just see and give a clear check and remove that. And they do not go also for complaining to Supreme Court. And even if they go to Supreme Court and complain there, but they don't take any actions, and no punishment is given to them. So how it is fair?
We have example.
We have here example. What happened in here's example of Ashok Lavasa case 2019 and 2020. Election Commissioner Ashok Lavasa disagreed with the ECI's clean chit to the PM in MCC cases, and his dissent was ignored. Later, Lavasa was reportedly targeted by income tax and vigilance probes and resigned early. And the source is Indian Express, The Hindu, BBC News 2020.
Can you show your source?
Yes, sir. And you can see here, if anyone is against that, they are making them targeted by
This
the
is
income tax
talk
office.
about where you talk about that the it's the public. Okay.
Yes, sir. So if someone is opposing it, then they have to just get away from their place. मतलब उन्हें अपना पद छोड़ना पड़ेगा अगर वो उसके opposite में जाते हैं. So this is not called fairness at all.
Maybe they have been bribed by the opposition, or they could have been they could have bribed by CIA or any deep state.
What is the
agency.
proof? What is the proof?
You only told that media is sold.
Okay. The ECE cannot ensure equal media or time coverage for all parties. I have an example. The ruling party often dominates media headlines and advertisements during campaigns, indirectly influencing public opinion. Why so?
This is a very long process, and the smaller parties should expand their outreach to the people. They should interact more with the people, and then they should make a place in the heart of the people, so that the people should vote for them. And this is the only way to win elections. The BJP and the Congress have been doing the same. When 40 or 50 odd years back, when there was only Congress, then Jan Sangh and Janata Dal came and made a place in the heart of the people by expanding their outreach to smaller villages, towns and cities and remote areas. They have done several works in the favor of marginalized communities, and they have developed that remote areas, and by doing this they have made a place in people's hearts. And then after Congress, they finally won the election. So this was a very long process, and the political parties, the smaller political parties which have just came into existence, they should expand their outreach to the people.
So you are talking about improvement in infrastructure of India. So let's get on that point. You are talking about improvement. So why most of the people in India are daily means not able to use water daily? Why water is not available to them? Why roads are not built? Why many things are not happening in the infrastructure? How you can say they have improved the infrastructure of India?
What ECI has to do with it?
No, but you are talking about that, na? Infrastructure improvement.
I am talking about that smaller political parties have to make a place in the heart of the people so that the people should vote for them. I am not talking
According to
about
this line, I provide marks or minus the marks. Okay? Actually,
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बीच में कहाँ से आया?
what?
स्मॉल पार्टीज के बारे में बोला। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हम यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट का डिबेट करने नहीं बैठे कि बीजेपी ने ज्यादा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में इंप्रूवमेंट किया या कांग्रेस ने। तो अब
Don't fight to each other. I will provide a marks. Do your own work.
एक्चुअली इसका कहने का यह मतलब था कि स्मॉलर पार्टीज को टास्क करने चाहिए और रीच बढ़ानी चाहिए अपने, नॉट बाय इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ही वाज सेइंग.
Okay, we are talking about that EC is supporting the bigger parties more, not the smaller parties.
सी जैसे बीजेपी एक स्मॉलर पार्टी थी, उन्होंने अपना काम किया तो
When it is a smaller party?
एक समय में थी ना, जब इमर्ज हुई थी तब स्मॉलर पार्टी ही थी वो.
Okay. Look, when it's some accusations come on the bigger parties, the EC does only warn them. It does not give punishment to them, any kind of. It just warns them and does not say give punishments.
Time
And if
is
small party does
only
not-
1 minute is left.
And if small
Conclude
parties
it.
do small mistakes, it just punishes them.
From the both side, I want a conclusion right now.
in the 2024 general elections, in Surat constituency, the nomination of the Congress participant, the Congress participant was abandoned because he used unfair means for the elections. So how you can say that only smaller parties suffer because of the ECI? The bigger parties also suffer. The nomination of in Surat was just abandoned of the Congress participant, and
When and what is the evidence for what you are saying?
in the 2024 general elections, and the evidence is Times of India website of 4th of June 2000, and the date is 4th of June 2024.
I'm doing minus because in some time, Shivam help in that the debate because I want don't interrupt by the anyone. Yeah, I will judging the both. At the time of marks, I will mention this. Okay, I will provide the marks at that time. Yeah, both from the both side, I will mention this all the things because you all are interrupting in that situation.
So you are talking about the General Assembly. So in 2019 General Assembly,
30 seconds is left for the conclusion.
Conduct violations. Several complaints were filed against top leaders, including PM Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah, for alleged MCC violations, invoking religion and armed forces in campaigns. The source is coverage by the Hindu, NDTV, Indian Express 2019.
The Election Commission has always adapted, investigated, and taken
Time is over.
and taken strict actions and given penalties against violations.
No, they have not. What is the proof?
Proof has several news websites.
Where? Proper source. Which?
Times of India, NDTV, and BBC. Many of the sources are there for this format link.
It happened also in 2019 by coverage by the Hindu, NDTV, Indian Express. We just gave an example.
In my opinion,
And we can also show here. Here's the proof.
1 second. Yeah. Out of time.
I want to conclude my speech by saying that, in my opinion, all the allegations against ECI are non-conclusive, non-evident, and are absolutely baseless.
According to us, the summary is when the election commission is constitutionally independent, its recently conduct shows serious lapses from selective enforcement of the model code of conduct, opaque EVM verification, politically influenced appointments to silence on electoral funding opacity. These issues collectively undermine public trust in what should be the world's most respected electoral body, and we have also provided proofs.
I will add a disclaimer in this video. This is only based on the knowledge.
कुछ भी बोला जा रहा है चलो they are taking actions on it, and the complaints which are not in which the actions are not required, they are giving the warning to the parties.
Okay, telling us that they are taking several measures to means be fair enough, but we don't think so, because according to 2019 general elections, model code of conduct was violated. Like, several complaints were filed against the leader, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Home Minister Amit Shah, but using religious beliefs and armed forces in campaign, which is totally against it, the model code of conduct. So what we will say about
Okay, I am saying that all that complaints were filed, okay, but the complaints were not proved, means that case was not proved. Whatever complaint EC is getting, they will transfer it to the Supreme Court or to any other court, but that complaints were maybe not proved, that's why they have not taken any action.
But don't you think that it is unfair, because the ruling party is getting all the opportunity and they're promoting them, but not to the parties who are just emerging right now?
Why they are not promoting? If you will tell like that, then when the BJP party emerged, then they were also a very small party, but now BJP is ruling the whole country, means majority they have got 290.
That time Congress was a big party and BJP was never that small party.
Why? When it emerged, then it was a small party. You cannot.
Right now we are talking about present. Like, the small parties are there, they are not promoting them. Before election, it is model code of conduct that nobody can promote religious beliefs and cannot use government vehicle or use of government facilities. Then they are using it because they are the ruling party and EC is promoting them.
How they are promoting them? They are just the complaints had not been proved. I am telling you again and again. If the complaints will be proved, then EC will.
We are telling you with the resource. The resource is Hindu, NDTV, Indian Express, 2019.
What it says? Can you read it out once?
Okay. Several complaints were filed against top leaders, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah, regarding violation of model code of conduct.
Okay. First two words you have said, several complaints, right? Several complaints. In complaints, how they will take action? The complaints needed to be proved. If they will be proved, then they will definitely take action.
What proof you need?
Whatever case they are getting, whatever complaint they are getting, they are passing it to the Supreme Court. And when the Supreme Court will pass all the complaints, means it will convert into the crime, complaint will convert into the crime, then only they will take action. If it is not proved by the Supreme Court, how they can take action?
Okay, it was clear that in Uttar Pradesh 2017 and Bihar 2020 elections, leaders openly used religious and caste-based appeals, which is banned, yet ECI took little or no action in that.
What were the appeals? Can you tell that statement? You are having that statement, that what statement they have exactly said?
I have told you the correct years.
You have told me the years, I agree with that, but are you having the statements or photocopy like I am having of election commission when Rahul Gandhi imposed all that thing? So I have taken the statements from the Twitter that what actually word to word he has said. Are you having any proof like that?
So you are not also having that proof?
I am having.
With this?
No, if you will means give the proof, then only I can recognize it. Now you are not giving the exact lines what they have said. So how I will believe?
Give the exact lines.
I will give exact lines, but first you prove now.
You have the exact lines that election commission has taken major steps.
I have the exact lines. Okay. I have the exact lines that how, let me tell you that now only in Alan, Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition, has shown some wrong constituencies. Okay, and he told that duplicate voters and all like that. So election commission has given them the perfect answer. Okay, and I am having the proof of that. So whatever I am claiming, I am having the proof. But what you are claiming, you are not having the proof.
I am having the sources. I have already told you that I have the sources.
Sources can.
Please show it to me what proof you are having right now.
Here on Rahul
Please show
Gandhi's.
it to the audience, please.
Okay. Here. Here, the Rahul Gandhi the Chief of Election Commission, Mr. Gyanesh Kumar, has said on Rahul Gandhi's election against ECI. This I have got, the source is Twitter, I have got this. Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar says, an affidavit will have, or an apology will have to be made to the country. There is no third option. If the affidavit is not given, not received within 7 days, then it means that all the whatever they have put allegations on the election come, and Rahul Gandhi has not given an affidavit and not given any apologization also in 7 days. What is your say in this?
Okay, there are many things which took place during these times.
But the thing is, you don't have the correct statement.
Do you have?
Yeah, we are having.
This is not the correct statement. EI haven't taken any measures according to that. Just they have made
You
the
have
statement.
told. You
Let
have
me complete.
how they.
Let me complete.
Okay.
They have just given the statement. They have not taken any major action regarding that, and they have not proved themselves right. They have just given a statement that I can also give, that I have the resources. I also have seen in these news channels, and I have also the news reports about that.
You only told 1 minute. In second round, I want to recall you something. In second round, you told that most of the news channels are sold out. You only told. I have not told like that, but you told. Means your sources can be wrong because the sources, NDTV, the Hindus, are the news channels or the private news associations. So their sources can be wrong, but the statement what he has given worldwide, this has been transported worldwide. This cannot be wrong.
Just
It
the
is.
statement. Just the statement.
So statement he has told that if you will give that,
But
then
in some cases, the EC offers soft towards the ruling party and strict towards the opposition, which questions its fairness.
When they have told any soft statement about the
They
ruling
have
party,
to.
do you have the exact verdict? Do you have the
We
exact
have the
verdict?
proofs. We have the proofs.
Proof. You are just having the sources. You are not having any exact verdict. If you are having the
Then
verdict,
you are also not having.
I am having verdict. One also.
We have the source. We have the dates. We
But
have.
you only told that sources may be wrong. You only told that news channel. You only told that news channels are sold out.
In MP 2018, EVMs were found unsecured in hotels where a BJP candidate was staying.
Do you have any strong proof?
Yes, we do have.
Again, you will have source, and you only told sources can be wrong.
Please read. My point was there. Please pay attention to this, that in Madhya Pradesh 2018, EVMs were found unsecured in a hotel where BJP candidates were staying. The ECI called it a mistake. What it is? Mistake. But this raised serious question about security because people want justice, right? Multiple opposition parties, including the AAP, Aam Aadmi Party and Congress have demanded a return to paper ballots, sitting lack to trust in the EVM system.
Okay, let me tell you, they are having lack of trust, right? Excuse me, yes or no? They are having opposition parties are having lack of trust,
Yes.
right? Okay, so if they are having the lack of trust, then they should file the complaints. Why they are not filing the
They are
complaints?
filing
They
the
are
complaints.
not filing.
They
You have.
Listen,
Huh.
multiple opposition parties demanded 100% matching of EVM votes with VVPAT slips to ensure transparencies. But the ECI refused, citing logistically challenges and conducted VVPAT verification in only 5 randomly selected polling
Let her
stations.
complete.
But they are only the allegations. They are not the complaints. Here, the Gyanesh Kumar has said worldwide
Shall
that.
I tell you the resource?
We have.
Again source. You are not having the verdict. You are not having the verdict. You only told sources will be wrong. You only told all the
I
news
told
channels
you
are
this
sold out.
mistake word, this
You have
mistake.
told all the news channels are sold out.
This
I have not said
mistake
this.
was a wording of Election Commission.
Ah,
of
so you are
India.
having that proof?
This mistake, I have this wording with double quotation mark mistake
Ah,
over here. You can see over here.
But that is
mistake with the
also
double quotation
source.
mark.
It is a source. Exact
Quotation
wording.
mark
Do you
is
have
there.
exact wording? Do you have exact wording? If you have exact wording. Finally, I want to say that you are not having still any verdict.
We have the verdict.
You are having source.
We have the verdict.
One
Can we
minute,
show
one
you?
minute, one minute, 1 minute. Let me complete. If you will say that you are having you are believing on the sources, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
You are believing on the sources. Then why your teammate said that all the sources, these are sources from the news channels, right?
Your
This
teammate
has-
also said
What?
that it's in time of India and everything.
So they have said so what? So you have told
Why
them.
are the news
1 minute, 1 minute.
channels
What
saying
you
that
told?
I
You
have
told.
also
1 minute. 1 minute. You
The
told.
news
You
channels,
told.
no.
No. Let me complete. Let me. Your news. Yes or no? Answer me in yes or no once. That your teammate said or not that news channels are sold.
You also tell me your teammate has said or not.
What I have said. What they have
Your
said.
colleague has said or not.
He has said. He has said. Once. He has said the Times of India has reported. So he can tell that because he is not
But
very.
he has only said now.
Let me complete. If I will complete, then I will allow you to say. Okay. Let me complete my point. That they have said because they are not telling that all the news channels are sold, but your team has said that all the news channels are sold to the majority party.
Can you quote that we didn't
What? I know
all
you.
the parties,
You
all
have
the
not told.
channels.
We are having
Not
a
all the
we have-
parties,
we
not
have-
all
you
the
told-
parties.
Not all the parties. You told all the news channels are sold. No, not parties. Some, not all. All.
BJP, you need
All.
to listen to me. You need to listen to me.
Tell.
We told that news channels are nowadays like people buy them, party buy them, but the larger parties like BJP, Congress, and it's not about buy like
So if they will buy, then why they will show the source against them?
They are
If they will
violating
buy-
model code of conduct. That's what my point is.
But this has been shown by the news channel news sources. This
Okay.
you told about mistake word. Do you have any wording? Okay.
Last 2 minutes.
I want to conclude. I want to conclude with that. They are just having sources, and they have not. They have said in second round that the news channels are sold out, and they have also told that news channels are sold out, and now they are showing the sources of the news channel and telling that this is right. If the news channels are sold out, then how this is right? If you have the correct verdict like we are having of the election commission chief Gyanesh Kumar, then you can tell. And I want to conclude with this.
बट द पॉइंट इज कि तुम लोग के भी पार्टनर्स ने, तुम लोग के ग्रुप मेंबर्स ने भी वर्डिक यूज किया था कि हम लोग जब पूछ रहे कि प्रूफ दो तो उन लोग ने ये बात बोली थी.
But they have not told na that news channels are. I have concluded. They are telling, so I am replying.
The conclusion is that ECI means Election Commission of India does not refer to the small party, but they help the bigger parties in some or the other way. Okay, so the model code of conduct in some or the other way is being violated, and the smaller parties are getting disadvantage of that, and that's what my point is.
The power in hand that he can dismiss or can dismiss the parties that are doing
In which basis they dismiss the party?
in voting time.
Why?
If they are using
सर हिंदी बोल सकते हैं?
wrong,
बोल सकते हैं?
अगर
Election Commission is the right way of
पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को पनिश कर सकता है अगर कुछ गलत पाया जाता है. Election Commission against the bad practices.
Election Commission is a constitutional body which has the right to punish to any party if it does malpractices.
Independent body, beta.
Independent body.
Election Commission monitors the model code of conduct which allows the politicians to conduct free and fair elections.
The Election Committee of India uses the Model Code of Conduct, which provide equality to all.
The Election Commission is an independent constitutional body that is responsible for doing the election fairly and treating everyone equally.
Election Commission provides a free and fair platform to all the parties and treat all the parties equally, and it is an unbiased organization, government or independent organization.
Election Commission maintains transparent elections so people can see if anything is going wrong with them.
Election Commission has implemented Achar Sanhita, also known as Model Code of Conduct, to ensure free and to ensure fair elections in India.
The Election Commission of India limits the campaign money on bigger parties. That is 25 lakhs on state assembly and 10 lakhs in central. The Election Commission of India limits the campaign money. That is 25 lakhs on central election or
Lok Sabha election
or 10 lakhs in state elections.
But this is a data of your NCERT book. According to that, the data of 2005 or 5. Okay.
Action is taking too late after the damage is done. Warnings are given, but leaders don't stop breaking the rules.
Money power still rules means the EC cannot stop anyone completely.
We are not fully independent like the government chief, election commissioner and other members. People doubt that it can act completely freely.
Beta, but according to that, the constitution, our election commission body is independent. So, what is the proof you are said that? Any proof is there, and what is your source?
When the Election Commission was created on 25th January 1915, it was supposed to be independent, but sadly in today's India it is not independent because the members of Election Commission are elected by the government itself.
Big and richer parties gets more attention and media and money, but smaller parties gets ignored.
Awareness does not help. Awareness does not help in means through which many people's names are cutting from the voter list, through which many people can't still vote.
Commission sometimes give weak response to the hate speeches. They do not act strongly against the communal remarks and the hate speeches that are coming from the leaders.
The MCC is supposed to provide fairness, but the enforcement is inconsistent. The rules, many leaders break them and only get warnings. No real punishment is provided.
But then I didn't told conduct a big election. It is also make the stronger rules or ask for money, more power to stop money and fake news.
Sir, and sometimes the cases came like when the party or some persons like of party make mistakes. When the action is going to be taken, it takes a long period of time. So in that, they hide their mistake in the period of time.
So the ECI says that the voter list mistakes is a small issue, but it is not a small issue because the person whose name is
Where it said
They told
what? Yeah.
they have
when it told voter issues is a very small issue.
In 2000.
Any page, any source is there?
So like when in
Sir, they have said this.
in Tamil Nadu, like 20 lakh people's name were missing that time. They say that it's not a big issue. It can be missing because they have a number of people.
You cannot use without any source. Any news is there, any source is there. We have where? Show me.
Like we all know that Lok Sabha always conduct elections. So during 2019 general election, which is mentioned over here, during the 2019 Lok Sabha election, several opposition party and former civil servants accused the ECI of being soft on the ruling party. That means they are supporting the ruling party.
Many people doubt that EVMs and EC has not done fully enough to make the voting system fully transparent, and we have the proof also. We have the source of Supreme Court proceeding 2019, the viral score in. The Election Commission is constitutionally independent. Its recent conduct shows serious lapses, from selective enforcement of the Model Code of Conduct, opaque EVM verifications, politically influenced appointments, to silence on electoral funding opacity. These issues collectively undermine public trust in what should be the world's most respected electoral body. And we have some proofs also that have the sources. As it's about Narendra Modi case and Amit Shah case, it's from the source of Hindu, NDTV, Indian Express from 2019, and we have West Bengal Assembly election case also of 2021. We have more and more cases with the sources. So I would like to conclude with this. Thank you.
Okay, I want to conclude that it is the Constitution is specifically mentioned in the Part 15 of the Constitution from Article number 324 to 329. Article number 324 provides the Election Commission the authority to direct, supervise and control elections to the Parliament, state legislatures and offices of President and Vice President. It was established on 25 January 1950. I also want to provide you some sources that it is not biased, it is totally unbiased. Like in Delhi, Ganesh Kumar told that on Rahul Gandhi's allegations against ECI, Chief Election Commissioner, Ganesh Kumar says an affidavit will have to be given or an apology to be made to the country. There is no third option. If the affidavit is not received within 7 days, it means that all the allegations are baseless, and it is not received means all the allegations are baseless, and it is Election Commission is unbiased. Thank you.